Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Shansia's Die For You hits 1 million streams. The track, produced by mega producer Russian, has surpassed 1 million Spotify streams. The single also trends at number 17 on YouTube in Jamaica. In the meantime, Shansia's hit and run featuring dancehall heavyweight Massacre goes big in ticketing scam. According to a report by Lloyds Bank, Taylor Swift fans have lost an estimated £1 million in ticket scams ahead of the UK leg of her Eras tour. The bank said more than 600 of its customers had come forward to report being scammed, losing an average of £332 each, with some losing up to £1,000. It added that 90% of the reported ticket scams started on Facebook. There has been a huge demand for tickets to see the star when she performs in the UK in June and August. Lloyd said there were significantly more ticket scams reports relating to Swift than any other artist. It said that if other banks have similar figures, there are likely to have been at least 3,000 victims across the UK. Janelle Monáe, Bleachers and Hozier to headline All Things Go Festival 2024. The three superstars are just a few of the artists scheduled to perform at All Things Go Festival 2024, taking place in the Washington, D.C. area in September. All Things Go, which is celebrating its 10th anniversary, will touch down at Meriwether Post Pavilion in Columbia. The event will also feature sets from Renee Rapp and a slew of other artists. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedrian. Thank you for watching.